Namaste all of you. Welcome back to an article a creates an excellent way, the smart way to enhance your vocabulary and expressive skills. I am Sarda Prasad, student of class 12th Kendra Vidyalaya Malkangiri, going to read out today's article to you. Here is today's article. G7 to pledge 1 billion vaccine shots for world. US President Biden commits 500 million doses while British PM Johnson commits another 100 million. This article has been collected from the Hindu newspaper. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson greeted world leaders at the Group of Seven G7 summit on Friday, offering elbow bumps to dignitaries gathered for the first time since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. The virus was said to dominate their discussions, with leaders of the wealthy democracies club are said to commit to sharing at least 1 billion vaccine shots with struggling countries. A commitment from US President Joe Biden to share 500 million doses and one from Mr. Johnson for another 100 million shots set the stage for the G7 meeting in the Southeast England, where leaders will pivot Friday from their family photo by the seaside directly into a session on building back better from COVID-19. We are going to help lead the world out of this pandemic working alongside our global partners, Mr. Biden said. The G7 also includes Canada, France, Germany, Italy and Japan. The leaders hope the meeting in the resort of Carbis Bay will also energize the global economy. Despite the moody skies, the group walked away at their photo as cheerful as children who had just built a sand castle. Led by Mr. Johnson, French President Emmanuel Macron threw his arm around Mr. Biden's shoulder. Talks were animated but inaudible. Global minimum tax. On 11th June 2021, they are set to formally embrace a global minimum tax of at least 15% of multinational corporations following an agreement reached a week ago by their finance ministers. The minimum is meant to stop companies from using tax havens to shift profits and to avoid taxes. It represents a potential win for the Biden administration, which has proposed a global minimum tax as a way to pay for infrastructure projects, in addition to creating an alternative that could remove some European countries' digital services taxes that largely hit US tech firms. But the endorsement from the G7 is just one step in the process. The hope is to get many more countries to sign on. A fraught proposal in nations whose economies are based on attracting business with low corporate taxes. For Mr. Johnson, the first G7 summit in 2 years, the last year's was scuttled by the pandemic, is a chance to set out his vision of a post-Brexit global Britain as a mid-sized country with an outsized role in international problem solving. It's also an opportunity to underscore the UK-US bond, an alliance often called the special relationship, but that Mr. Johnson said he prefers to call the indestructible relationship. If climate change is also a top issue on the agenda, and hundreds of protesters gathered in Cornwall to urge the leaders to take action. Demonstrators deployed a barge off the coast with two large inflatable figures depicting Mr. Biden and Mr. Johnson on board. At another protest, demonstrators carried flags that read G7 drowning in promises and action, not words. The official summit business kicked off on Friday 11th June 2021 with the customary formal greeting and a social distanced group photo. The special words that have been collected from the articles are: elbow bump. The elbow bump is an informal greeting where two people touch elbows. Second, pivot. The central or most important person or thing in a situation, or the central point, pin or shaft on which a mechanism turns or oscillates. Third, firms. A company offering a professional service. Fourth, endorsement. The act of saying that you approve of or support something or someone. 5. Fraught, full of anxiety or worry. 6. Scuttle, to stop something happening or to cause a plan to fail. 7. Indestructible, impossible to destroy or break. 8. Urge, a strong wish, especially one that is difficult or impossible to control. 9. Deploy, move troops or equipment into position for military action or bring into effective action. 10. Barge, a large low boat with a flat bottom used for carrying goods on a canal or river. 11. Inflatable, an inflatable object has to be filled with air before you can use it. Thank you.